As the rainy season persists, the Public Works Department continues its inspection of flood control projects. Secretary Vince Dizon found 3 non-functioning pumping stations during his latest round of inspections. Micah Razon joins us on the line for the details. Micah, go ahead.
My DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon detailed the existing problems of Padre Faura pumping station, which he said explains the flooding in parts of Manila City.
Earlier this year, in-inform ako na yung 3 pumping station dito sa Ross Boulevard na humihigop dapat ng tubig baha sa Taft Avenue, Faura, Remedios, Malate, all the way hanggang Pio Campo, sira 3. 3 yan. Yung itong Faura, Remedios, tsaka Abad. So, nung pinatignan ko, ito nakita natin. 1 taon yan ganyan. Hindi gumagana. Kaya talaga magbabaha sa Taft.
My Dizon added that poor maintenance and lack of electricity are affecting the operations of the pumping stations. He said the facility is not yet connected to an electricity service provider and is currently running only on generators, which are supposed to serve as backup power only. Meanwhile, Dizon assured that these issues are being addressed and Padre Faura pumping station is expected to be fully operational by the first week of July. Back to you, Mai.
Micah, according to Secretary Dizon, yung 3 pumping stations ang hindi gumagana. Pero what about the other 2? At sino ba ang dapat nagme-maintain ng mga pumping stations na yan?
Yes, Mai. Sec Dizon said that the next on their repair are the Remedios and Abad pumping stations. He also hopes that upon the completion of these pumping stations, flooding in Manila will easily subside. Sabi rin ni Dizon, supposedly MMDA daw ang mag-manage ng maintenance nito. Pero hindi raw tinanggap ng MMDA, kaya tatrabahuhin na lamang nila ang pangangasiwa sa pasilidad at eventually ay iti-take over na nila ito sa LGU dahil sabi ni Sec Dizon, mas nakakaalam daw nito ay ang LGU. Mai?
Thank you, Micah Razon reporting.